Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It is an origami, it's an origami coin bank right here, and it's got a nice looking square right here, and yeah, and it's like a nice box right here, and you can just stick a coin into one of these pockets right here. See, like this. See, and it goes in just like that. That's cool. Just like that. And the way to take the coins out is that you just take two of these slabs right here, and it opens up kind of like a box like this, and you can just dump it out, and you can let the coin fall on the table like this. And yeah, and you can close the bank up like that. See? Isn't that cool? And what's also cool about it is that if you spin it on a smooth surface, see, you can spin just like that. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, unfold and fold half this way. We're gonna make a square base. And now take this point and fold it to here. And turn over and fold this up. Okay, and now open the pocket like this. And then bring the two sides together like this, and flatten it like that. Okay. And now we're gonna take the oriented so that the open side is facing you, and we're gonna take this point and fold it to here. But don't actually fold it, just make a little crease mark in the middle, like that. Alright. And now take these 2 points and fold them to the intersection of the crease mark and the crease. Okay, like that. And now rotate and take this point and fold it to here. Okay, now let's repeat all that on the back side. So turn over and fold this up, make a crease mark, and fold the sides to the middle. Go a little bit faster. And fold this up like this. Okay, and now fold this over like this. Turn over and fold this over. Just one layer. And fold this up like this. In between these 2 points. And make sure that this point aligns with the crease. And repeat on the back side. Okay, just like this. Alright, now take this part right here and fold it up in between these 2 points also. Like this. Crease that nice and sharp. Unfold. Turn over and let's loosen that crease up. And now reverse that crease. Like this. Okay, just like that. Alright, now turn over like this. And now we're gonna make a paper airplane fold. So we're gonna take this edge right here and fold it to the crease, or take this point and fold it to this point. Like that. And now turn over like this and repeat on this side. Okay, and now fold this flap over like this. Turn over like this, and fold this flap over, and let's do the same thing. And repeat, repeat on this side. Just like that. Alright, and now we're going to fold this part up in between these 2 points. Like this. And that's a little, the paper's a little thick, but just do the best you can. Like that. And unfold, and now let's reverse the crease. Like that. Okay, just like this. And now we're ready to blow it up. So yeah, this model is inflatable. So you just blow into that small hole right there, and it should inflate. So here it goes. Alright, now just fix any glitches up like this if it didn't inflate all the way. So yeah. Pretty much just shape it to taste. And once it did that, our coin bank is completed. So yeah, you can kind of blow into it so that way this point comes out more if you can let it spin. Yeah. See, just like that. And also the really cool thing about it is that you can use this as a coin bank. I'm gonna put a quarter in there. So you just stick it into one of these side pockets right here, see, like this, and you just push it in like that. You can do it to any of them. You can do them in all 4 of them. See, just like that. Now, to take the coins out, you just take 2 opposite flaps like this and you pull them apart like this. Just enough so that the coins come out when you dump it, and dump it on the table like this. See? Just like this. And now try and put it back together. There you go, got it back together. See? Just like that. But yeah, or maybe you can just take a coin and just put it in into the middle like this, and the middle will kind of open up. So you can treat it as a real coin bank like that. Alright. So, there you have it. Alright, hope you guys were able to fold that, and make sure you subscribe, and hope you find this useful, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.